And if I'm completely honest, I'm a little nervous of this because I do not want to be chasing pigs today. Today is the day the chicks are going out on pasture and the pigs are going out to the woods. I'm so ready. So we moved over the water and the feeder into the fence, and now we're gonna get the pigs. And if I'm completely honest, I'm a little nervous of this because I do not want to be chasing pigs today. And these pigs are definitely a little bit on the wild side, so let's pray they don't slip underneath this tractor as we're moving it.
2, 3, go, both of you. Carson, go!
Nope, not moving up!
Ah, I'm so fast. Shoot, where's those?
Where is it? Wait. Nope.
Rachel, where are
Rachel,
you?
stay in your corner.
I know, I'm in the back.
I meant the
Stay
thing.
right there, don't let that go. Okay.
Alright, we're good.
You're not gonna
I can't see, so you guys have to.
Rachel, stay on this side. Rachel, go on this side.
Okay.
I'll go behind. You guys each go on your side.
They're definitely trying to get out.
Okay, I'll stay in the back. You guys stay on each side. Watch your side.
Pound on the thing or else, man.
Watch your side. Rachel, can you see them? Go where you can see them.
Every time you slide an elevation, this is going to be where there's really high spots. So watch yourselves, guys.
Turn,
Oh boy.
turn.
Okay, we're in good shape.
Close that back.
All right, we're in a good spot. I know they're already digging. We did it.
They're
Good job.
already digging.
There's no pig getting out.
Come on, pig.
They don't want to go out that door.
It's 'cause
Well, we got 3 of them to come out. We still have 1 more that needs to come out over there. We're struggling. But they are going in.
So if you know how to get one pig out,
You're gonna get shocked.
show us. I already got shocked.
Okay. All right,
Hey,
Clint.
piggy.
The meat birds need to go in there, so.
What are we going to do?
I don't
I don't
know.
know how to get it out.
It's like nestled down. I think you stressed it out pretty good. Yeah. Turn it on. Is it on? The pigs are in the woods. And it was a chore. It took a little bit for us to get the 3 out, and then the last one was being super stubborn. Clint went in there with a board and it started grunting and was getting pretty upset with him. But it got out eventually, but we are tired. So we were just watching to make sure they find their water. They found the feed pretty quick. They forged a path through the woods really quickly. We were kind of unsure if we had thinned it out enough, but that didn't seem to bother them. They went right in, no problem. So now we just wait to make sure they know where the water is. And now it's time to get the meat birds out. So we're gonna drag this over, and then next we'll get the meat birds out of the garage, get them all set up for the day, and they will be officially on pasture. I almost fell in a hole. We are starting the chickens over here in this space, just kind of right in front where the pigs were. And the chickens are having a blast. We moved away the pig stuff. And chickens are the cleanup crew of the farm. So they're gonna come through here and eat any kind of fly larva. They're gonna scratch it all up, and then we're gonna reseed this area here. But all a part of a happy ecosystem. All right, so like right there in front.
Not next to it? Where Blue's
No, it
digging?
gets too wet there. So Clint has an idea. What we're gonna try with the Polaris here. We're gonna try to bring the brooder just out with the Polaris. Let's see if it works. All right, let's get these chickens out on pasture.
Can you open that now?
Alright, you guys take that out. I'm gonna bring the feed and water.
Mom, where's the
It's fine.
where's the butt? Hey, you haven't attached.
Oh, it's not hard.
If you want to sit, now we're gonna get in there and get them out. Go, chickies, go! Go, chickies, go!
Oh, yeah, bring your pastures. Go. That way. There we go.
Head's back. There. They're all sliding. It's like a slide. Go on.
Did it.
Now, until we get the feeder set up. Good job, guys. Well done. Well, we did it, y'all. Pigs. The timing of a rooster's crow. Pigs are out in the woods. Chickens are on grass. That was the main goal for today. And so we did it. It's done. Now we get to take a break and go eat some lunch. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. We have lots more content coming. Chicken butchering, the process of moving them, the process of moving the pigs every couple weeks. Lots of garden content because the garden is blossoming right now, but we've been busy with animals. So stay tuned.